Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Tony Sarumoto, and I have a quick review about a 2006 Subaru STI. The customer sent me the car here for a diagnostic. So the first thing I did is I checked the oil, pulled the dipstick out, and checked the oil. And I noticed the oil is mixed with. It doesn't look like normal oil. It looks like it's like a mix, like gray colorish, like nasty color, like a diesel color oil. And then I tell the customer that this oil doesn't look right to me. Okay. And then he said, okay. He said that he was driving on a freeway, and then suddenly some people pulled next to him and tell him that the car was smoking big time. And then I said, uh-oh, probably a head gasket or something else. I asked the customer what color the smoke was. They say like a kind of white. So okay, that seems like a head gasket problem. But and then I come over here and check the antifreeze, and then the level is okay. I mean, it's not even low, nothing. It's right there. So that give me a question mark right there. So okay, so if it was a head gasket, I mean, it will be low in antifreeze, but it's not. So another thing that I noticed that is a lot of oil coming right here, and I wonder why and where it's coming from. So I start the car, and I notice that the oil is coming, the leak is coming through here. You know, I know some cars that the filler cap has to be on it because it will suck air through there, or push air through that. Okay, but in this case, I don't think it's normal that the Subaru will push compression through here out. It doesn't make any sense to me. So in my mind is like, okay, so we got two problems here. So the turbo went bad, okay, and the compression is coming, the propeller is pushing pressure through the engine outside, spilling out all the oil on here, on this area. So I asked the guy, okay, so is that the aftermarket turbo? And he said, well, the guy who sold me this car, he said that he put a newer turbo from a newer Subaru STI. So this is what it does. Okay, let me put on pause. This is what it does. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So the car is shaking a lot. Okay, and compression is coming through here. Look at that. You can hear it. I don't think it's normal. And then look at the way smoke started coming out. We'll come this way. Look, I think the oil looks blue, right? What do you think? And it gets worse and worse and worse. It gets so bad that it looks like a blow-head gasket, but the oil looks blue to me. It doesn't look white. So I think the turbo let go, and inside the turbo is pushing compression back inside the engine. Instead of sucking, it's pushing compression back into the engine. Or the blow-by system on this car went bad. Either way. But I'm thinking the turbo is bad, or it's too much for this car. And for some reason the turbo went bad, and now it's burning oil like crazy. So this is what it does. Okay, So if you have the same problem, leave some comments. Okay, if you don't have this problem, well, there you go. I don't think it's a head gasket, but I think a turbo is affecting the engine. Okay, leave some comments.